Hi, I'm Rachel Eliason. I am a school-based mental health clinician.
My name is G. Platty. I'm a school-based clinician for VOA Alaska, and I'm at Creekside Park Elementary.
So my name is Tanya. I go by Tanya. Tanya Walker. I'm a new clinician at Romick.
My name is Miss Kayla. I'm a school-based clinician with VOA Alaska, and welcome back to school.
This year, I'm excited to work with my counselor to do some staff workshops on what used to be called calm corners, but we're renaming them to regulation stations at my school. So looking at what is the role of calm and just trying to reshift that to regulating, as well as helping teachers better understand how students can effectively do that.
I'm excited. I'm just excited to meet the kids like I was at camp, seeing the kids out in public and they remember my fist bump. So when they come up to me, they're like, Miss Tanya, and they fist bump me. That makes me feel happy because that's my way. I fist bump kids and they were asking me, why do you fist bump us? And I said, that's my way of engaging with you, because if you fist bump me back and you're in a good mood, I'm be like, okay, she's in a good mood or he's in a good mood. Or if you kind of standoffish, I'm gonna be like, okay, they probably keep an eye on them and things like that. So that's my way of engaging with kids. And I plan to take that with me to school. I'm just excited to see what I can do for these kids and just bring my bubbly personality into the school system and be a buffer for the kids, for the teachers too, because they're gonna need the support too. And I want them to know that I am here.
I'm really excited because Rush and Jack is a part of Cohort 2 for bringing PBIS into their school, and PBIS stands for Positive Behavioral Intervention Supports. Anchorage School District is gonna roll this out, and so eventually all schools will have this model guiding their school, and so I'm really excited to be a part of that. What that'll look like for us here at Rush and Jack is we're going to really hone in our behavioral expectations for students, and we have some positive behavior rewards, like bucket fillers. When kids are doing something really awesome, we're able to acknowledge that they're doing something really great. Rush and Jack rocks is our motto, and so I'm really excited to be able to be a part of that process and help plan for what PBIS will look like in our school.
This year, I'm really excited to add in more creative, fun interventions. So I've kind of upped my art therapy supplies, and I've been doing a lot more research on interventions we can do through games. And instead of kids who don't want to just sit and talk, especially because they're sitting and paying attention in school all day, we can do something a little more interactive and energizing. So I'm really excited to bring more of that into my work this year.